Hello class, this is it. This is the last discussion you will complete for this class. It has been an honor to travel along this journey with you, but I am a bit sad to see it end. What will I do with all my extra time? I'm kidding. After this week ends, you'll be able to say you completed 6 essays, including the final exam. Wow, that is no small feat. You completed a lot in 8 weeks. And you should be very proud of yourselves for sticking to it until the end. Remember that this course ends on Friday instead of next Monday. That means you still post your initial post by Thursday, but you must respond by Friday, the very next day, as everything is due then. Finally, your grades will be posted 1 week after your class. As I continue to add the grades, don't hesitate to email me if questions or concerns arise. Now on to the discussion. The skills you've developed and strengthened in this class are not just for English classes. For your final discussion board, please answer the questions below. Also be sure to thoughtfully respond to 2 classmates' posts, as always.